Bonjour, ça va? C'est oui, ça va.
Oui, ça va.
Et merci beaucoup. Asseyez-vous. 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 That's sit down. Asseyez-vous. Yeah. Now, today, are we good?
Yes.
Okay, today we are going to learn more about greetings.
Wow.
Last week we talked about some greetings, right? We talked about bonjour, that's good morning or hello. We talked about salut, that's hi. We talked about comment ça va, that's what? How are you? And we talked about what? Merci. Saying to someone, merci. Merci is what? Thank you. Can we say merci?
Merci.
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 Alright, good. Today we are going to look at more greetings. More what? Greetings. And our greetings in French are called les salutations. Say les salutations.
Les salutations.
Les salutations. Can hear you.
Les salutations.
That's good. Now look at this. The first on our list is what? Bonsoir. Say bonsoir.
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 Now, that bonsoir, we use it in afternoon and what? In the
Night.
evening.
Night.
We use it in the afternoon and what? Evening. That's good. Now, the second one on my list is what? Au revoir. Say au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Now, we say, we have on the board au revoir, but we pronounce au revoir. We pronounce what? Au revoir, which means goodbye. Which means what? Goodbye. Now, the third one on my list is what? Bienvenue. Is what?